Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60 and today it is package day. It was actually yesterday. I got this package from Big Willy the Locksmith. Good buddy of mine now, and well, I got this package yesterday. And let's see what Big Willy sent us. I want to wish everyone a happy Easter. So, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, sandpaper, man. Just like the lockpick and Lebowski said, in this hobby, you can never have enough sandpaper, man. Thank you, Big Willy. Appreciate that. Let's see what else. Oh, cool. Cool. Wow. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. That's my cat. So we got here, it says 9 different sizes of spools. Check that out. Nice, nice. Cool, cool. Oh, Master American pins, bottom. Nice, cool. Yeah, I'm going to need these. I'm making a lock for a buddy of mine, Glenn. Glenn, if you're watching, man, hi, buddy. I haven't forgotten about you. He's in the UK. So, matter of fact, this right here, I'll use it on that American lock right here for him. Cool. Awesome, man. I don't have any pins for that. And 5 different sizes of serrated pins. Nice, man. Check that out. Man, thanks a lot, Big Willy. Really appreciate this, man. Oh, and American and Meso and American top springs. And got a couple of serrated pins there too. Cool. Cool, awesome, man. Tell you what, can't never have enough. All right, let's dump this out. And, okay. I'll recycle this box. All right, let's see what we got here. And it has a little note or something in there. All right, the note says, "Pen by Big Willy the Locksmith. And warning: may cause cursing, throwing of tools, stress, and loss of sanity." Okay, excuse me. That's too much. And it's a Dexter, which is I believe, a quick set clone. Let's see, Quickset or Shaleg. Let's see. I believe it's a Quickset. Anyhow. And, oh man. He really mummied this key. Use a shrink wrap. Cool. And he just recently did this. All right. Awesome. 4917. All right. Awesome, man. Thanks, Big Willy. And what's this here? skeleton key, and a keychain. Okay. Alright, and aha! WB, Wilson Bohannon. Alright, and it looks like it's a 5-pinner. Oh, Lady of Mount Carmel. Alright. That's a private school in Wickliffe, Ohio, about 17 miles east of Cleveland. And they also have a church too, Catholic church. Cool. Well, this is going to be my first, man. Thanks a lot, Big Willy. This is my first. I'm going to attempt to pick this lock. I never picked a WB before. So, pretty interesting keyway. So, let's see. Let's see how I do. I guess, yeah, it's really, and excuse me, this, I'm going to use a Tron. Alright, so wish me luck. Watch it back. Felt like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. Cool. That was a nice little pick, man. Yeah, this is going to go in my collection, man. Wow. Awesome. Awesome, people. All right. Well, Big Willy, thanks a lot, man, for this and for all the other stuff you got me. And I'll tell you, those pins are going to come in really handy. I got this, like I said, I got this American lock and a couple other locks I'm going to work on to send to my buddy Glenn in the UK. Glenn, if you're watching, it'll be out sometime this week, promise. And Big Willy, thanks a lot. And I'll be making another package for you. And everyone, happy Easter. Be safe. Stay legal. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.